Well, the air is in a mighty hurry across the valley today with gusts over 40 miles per hour. You got to hold on with two hands onto the steering wheel, especially if you're driving a high-profile vehicle. Here's a look at the radar, and there are places across the region that do have some rain and some snow making its way through the region. Now, look out to the west, and see the pink on the radar earlier today. The slipperiness very likely across portions of north-central North Dakota, where we have rain and snow reported out there. Have been some travel difficulties in western North Dakota. Now this rain-snow line moving very close to the Bismarck area along Interstate 94. Doesn't look like it'll be too heavy there, but do know you could run into some. Also some icing possible on Interstate 94 as we move out toward the Twin Cities, where there is rain and heavy rain down to the south. A few sprinkles have passed through Fargo-Moorhead, but that's about it for today. Your current conditions, 36 degrees, winds gusting to 40 miles per hour. Again, extra hairspray required. Look at the temperatures across the region. We have stayed very cool in the southern Red River Valley, 32 Wahpeton, 36 Fargo, 40 warmer degrees in Grand Forks. It's warmer also in Jamestown at 41, and it is 46 right now in Roseau and Bemidji, the mild spots, if you will. Spring-like weather, though, down in portions of South Dakota, even though this storm system is bringing them quite a bit of windiness as well. Here is a look at this regional storm. It's impacting a great portion of the nation and expanding all the way down into the Central Plains with severe weather out in western Missouri. Now, your hour-by-hour forecast shows the rain moves through, and rain and snow mix will continue to move along Highway 2 up north, Highway 200, and we will see some light snow in and around the Fargo area by the time we get to the morning hours. So do anticipate that there will be a little bit of light snow around, but look at the wind. It switches direction and will be equally as strong as those gusts we saw today. The snow will generally exit as we go throughout the day, but the winds will be there for the duration, and it does look like temperatures will peak near 40 in the far south, but the rest of the area will be generally in the 30s with gusty winds feeling quite blustery throughout the day. So your planning forecast for Fargo-Moorhead this evening will have temperatures in the upper 30s to near 40 if we're lucky, but south winds will continue to bring moisture into the area. We'll see rain overnight that will mix with at times some flakes of snow, especially towards your daybreak as you're getting out the door. So watch for a few slippery spots, especially north of the FM area. Then here's a look elsewhere for your afternoon planner. 3 o'clock, Sisseton, 39 degrees. It looks like 33 in Devil's Lake. The snow will end from west to east, and any afternoon snow will likely be off to the east in places like Detroit Lakes, Bagley, and Bemidji, where temperatures will be in the low to mid-30s with wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. Now, taking a look at Wednesday into Thursday, the system continues to exit out of the region. The north winds persist and will be cooler for a couple of days, but some good news in the long-range forecast as far as our temperatures go. The geese are on the loose. Oh, no, there's a goose, and a lot of gooses on the loose up there. Gene Hansen sending a photo near Edgeley, North Dakota. Thanks for sharing. A beautiful sight indeed this time of the year with the migrating birds. 36 on in Fargo on Thursday, as we will be quite cool. But take a look at Friday as we look at temperatures that will start hitting that 40-degree mark again. Then the weekend brings temperatures near 50 degrees. Looks very nice indeed. Maybe even a few 60s down to the south and west of us. It will be a little breezy out there, but we do have 60s returning on the extended planner out there on Tuesday and Wednesday. So it does look like we'll have some snow, and the snowfall potential looks like it'll be greatest along and north of Highway 2, and generally 1 to 3 inches of snow. An isolated location or two could see as many as 4 heavy wet inches of snow. I think things will be windy, blowing snow, and slippery up north.
Okay, be careful. Winter is kind of here for a little bit.
It's not giving up the ghost yet.
No, thanks, Hutch.
You bet.
And don't forget to get all the Valley News Live latest news and weather text alerts. You can get them to your phone now. To get the latest breaking news, weather, and other updates on your mobile device, just head to valleynewslive.com to sign up. Well, coming up next, how drones are being used to help track down and help homeless animals.